5 reasons why Amazon KDP is the best online business for beginners. Hi, my name is Matthew, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I want to show you my top 5 reasons why Amazon KDP is the best online business, especially for you as a beginner. There are certainly many reasons why people want to start their own online business. Maybe they're bored with their 9-to-5 jobs and finally want to be their own boss. Maybe people are looking for a way to make a few extra dollars on top of their day job to get through the current tough times. Other people want to be able to work independent of time and place to make their daily life more flexible. The reasons may be different, but I'm sure that one of these points applies to you as well. Over time, many online business models have developed. The people are earning money with online services, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, service flipping, and Amazon KDP. Before I show you these 5 reasons, let me just explain real quick what Amazon KDP is, how it works, and how it will work for you. So Amazon KDP stands for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. On Amazon KDP, you are able to publish different types of books. You can create science fiction books, non-fiction books, low content books, or no content books. Amazon KDP is a print-on-demand business model in this context. So print-on-demand, short POD, means you work with a third-party supplier and customize white-label products by adding your own designs to them. With print-on-demand sales, you won't pay for product until an order is placed and the third-party supplier prints it up. After a customer places an order with you, your print-on-demand supplier will handle everything from that point on, from printing, service to shipping. So this brings me to the first reason why Amazon KDP is the best online business model for beginners. The first reason is customer support. As I already mentioned, Amazon KDP is a print-on-demand online business model. In this context, Amazon takes care of the whole customer support service itself. What does that mean? Number 1, Amazon handles the whole ordering process. You don't have to do anything here, just waiting for the customer to see your book and order your product. Number 2, as soon as the customer buys your book, Amazon will print it in their printing plants and will ship it directly to the customer. So you don't have to buy your own books and store it by yourself. Amazon does it all automatically. Amazon also takes care of the whole shipping process, so you don't have to deal with packages or boxes. Number 3, if your customer is not satisfied with the product and want to return it, Amazon also handles the whole return process completely on their own. So you don't have to deal with angry customers or storage the goods, the products on your own. The only thing you have to do is to provide the cover and interior of your book. That brings me to the second reason why Amazon KDP is the best online business model for beginners. It's easy to start. Really, anyone can start his own Amazon KDP online business. The only thing you need is an email address and an Amazon KDP account. You can create this account very fast and easy directly on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You have to enter your email, your name, your address, and you're ready to go. Another point why it's very easy to start, it can be done completely free of charge. You can create whole books, low content books, no content books, even non-fiction and science fiction books completely for free. You can create the interior for free and the cover for free. There are many platforms out there to use. For example, you can use canva.com or even PowerPoint and Microsoft Word to create whole interiors and covers on your own. So it can be completely free. That's a good reason why Amazon KDP is easy to start, especially for you as a beginner. If you compare Amazon KDP to Amazon FBA, for example, here you need thousands of dollars to to get even started. You have to buy the products physically, store them on your own, and ship it to the customer directly. So if you compare these two business models, Amazon KDP and Amazon FBA, for example, Amazon KDP is a really great way for you as a beginners with no much budget to start. Reason number 3 why you should start your online business with Amazon KDP is Amazon itself. Amazon.com is the biggest online marketplace out there right now. Amazon is also a big search engine like Google, for example. Customers daily browse through Amazon searching different types of products and books. If we have a closer look on the statistic for the Amazon marketplace, we can see that only in May 2022, Amazon.com had approximately 2.4 billion combined desktop and mobile visits. So the amount of people who are daily visiting Amazon searching for products and books is so huge that it would stupid not to profit from this situation. Another few really impressive statistics: the average Amazon Prime member spends $1,400 a year on online shopping. 33% of consumers click on Amazon ads while browsing the web. Almost 80% of the Amazon customers say that the free and very fast shipping process of Amazon is the most important reason for shopping on the platform. So become one of the sellers on Amazon and offer your books to a large amount of customers who are visiting Amazon and probably and hopefully buying your books. Now we have our own Amazon KDP account created and published our first books, and now we have the chance for reason number 4 why Amazon KDP is the best online business model for beginners: passive income. Who of you does not dream of it? Earn money at any time and in any place. Earn income while you sleep, go on a trip, or even on vacation. That's the whole dream and idea behind passive income. Sell products and earn money without being on a computer, staying on vacation, or do something fun. That's a good point for Amazon KDP because you are creating digital products for this platform. So the product is 24/7 available on Amazon, and potential customers can buy this product 24/7. So they are buying in Germany at 11 o'clock while you sleep. With Amazon KDP, it is really possible to earn passive income. If you compare it to Amazon FBA, you have to buy the products physically. You have to make phone calls with customers or suppliers. You have to make sure that the products arrive correctly at the customers. So there's no chance to make passive income with Amazon FBA. But with Amazon KDP, as I mentioned, you uploaded a digital product and the customer can buy this digital product. Amazon produces the books on their own, ship it directly to the customer, and you don't have to do anything. We can really talk about passive income here. Now we are at the 5th and last reason why Amazon KDP is the perfect online business for beginners. However, since I want to offer added value with my videos, I have a big bonus tip for you how you can generate additional income streams with the help of Amazon KDP. So stay tuned and make sure to watch the video until the end. The 5th and last reason why Amazon KDP is the best online business model for beginners is popularity. What do I mean with popularity? In the last months and years, Amazon KDP experienced a real hype on the internet. Many people earning a good amount of money with their Amazon KDP business and want to expand their income streams. So finally, they have landed on YouTube like me. As a result, there are many YouTubers who produce high quality and high value videos on all areas of Amazon KDP. There are, for example, Chris Raydog, Paul Maltz, and many other YouTube channels who are making very good content. They are showing their earnings, how to produce good books, and they offer very good tips how you can scale and increase your own Amazon KDP business. So with the increase of popularity of Amazon KDP, there is so much knowledge and value out there on YouTube for free. So if you stay consistent, watch plenty of different YouTube channels and videos, you have all the knowledge to create good outstanding books and build your whole Amazon KDP business on your own. So make sure you check all these channels out, increase your knowledge, start creating those books, make mistakes, learn from these mistakes. There is no reason why you should not have success with Amazon KDP. So after this 5 tips, I want to share with you a bonus tip how you can generate additional income streams with the help of Amazon KDP. If you are experienced in Amazon KDP, published a lot of books, making good money, you can create and start, for example, your own YouTube channel. Show your whole process on how creating books, creating good covers, and how to make good money on Amazon KDP. Create videos, roundabout tutorials, income reports, and show other people how they can make money with your help on Amazon KDP. You can build up a community on YouTube and so build a second passive income stream on YouTube. With the help of YouTube, you can earn money from affiliate products. So for example, you are using tools for your Amazon KDP business like Helium 10, PublisherRocket, Creative Fabrica, whatsoever. You can contact the support of these platforms and ask for an affiliate link. So if you have a big community, the people want to do the same thing on Amazon KDP with the same tools as you can use affiliate links. The people are clicking on the links, and so you can build a third passive income stream through YouTube with affiliate marketing, for example. The next thing, if you have big success with Amazon KDP and a big community, the people want to know detailed information on the whole process of creating, publishing, and selling books. So you can create online courses where you can show the people exactly this thing. You can offer a detailed process on how creating these books, and so build up a fourth passive income stream with online courses. On top of that, there are many other ways to build passive income streams, but I think with Amazon KDP, these 4 passive income streams might be the interesting ones and the most efficient ways to earn additional passive income streams. Now you have the 5 reasons why Amazon KDP is the best online business model, especially for you as a beginner. If you want to know more about Amazon KDP, how to create good, outstanding books, what tools you can use, how you can create good covers, have a closer look on my YouTube channel. I have so much tutorials, informations, and even income reports that shows you how much money you can earn from this business and how you can create good and outstanding books. If you like the videos on my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best, a good day, and maybe we will see us in the next video.